Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we will see how to change the cart icon in the Dawn theme. In the Dawn theme, we have two kind of cart icon. One is for the empty cart and another one is when we add a product to the cart, we can see the icon has changed. So there are two icons for the header part. So now we will see how to change these icons. Let's go back to our website dashboard, and from there scroll to online store, click here. I have already installed Dawn theme on my store. One thing I need to mention is that the process of changing the cart icon I will show you right now will work before this version 15.1.0. Right now the version I'm using is 15.0.2. So I will make another video where I will show how to change the cart icon from this version 15.1.0 and other future versions. Click on this three dots button and then let's click on edit code. Here you can see there are few folders in the Dawn theme, and let's click on sections, and inside the sections folder we have card-icon-bubble.liquid. Let's double click on this file, and we have another file called header.liquid. So inside header.liquid, let's search Ctrl+F for the search bar and type icon-card. You can see render icon card empty when the card is empty, and render icon dash card when we have added products to our website. So these two icons are rendering on the header. Same here, we have the render icon card dash empty and render icon dash card, and these icons are rendering from the snippets folder. Let's go inside snippets folder, and inside the snippets folder we have various icons, and here we have icon dash card dash empty dot liquid. Let's open this file, and icon dash card dot liquid. Let's also open this file. So these are the two icon files, and these two icons are rendering on this header.liquid file and card-icon-bubble.liquid file. To replace the SVG icon, we need to find an icon, and there are many websites on the internet to download SVG icons. Icon Finder is one of them. I also use svgrepo.com. So from here I can download free SVG icons. Let's search for a cart icon on this website, and let's download this one, and the file is already downloaded. And now I will go to edit svgcode.com, and here you can edit the svg code. So let's upload the file, just download it, select and open, and you can see I have the code of this SVG icon. First I will delete this line, the first line, and then I will also remove the width and height from this code. Now let's copy this code and go back to our website dashboard, and inside the snippets folder let's click on add a new snippet, give it a file name. You can give any name. I will name it as icon card dash new, and click on done. And Control V to paste the code. Format liquid. I will copy few properties from the Shopify icon and paste it into my code. Format liquid. Click on save. I will also change one thing, that is the stroke has a black color, so I want to take it a color from our website. So current color, let's copy the current color and replace it over here in the stroke. Let's paste it, current color, and the stroke width is 2. I would like to make it 1, so we have a thinner outline. So let's click on save. Now let's close these two icons, and in the header, icon card, let's search for icon card dash empty. Let's rename it to icon card dash new, same as the file name, icon card dash new dot liquid. So just same as the file name. Let's save it, and in card dash icon dash bubble dot liquid, here we need to change also icon dash card dash new, here icon dash card dash new, and let's save it. Now let's go back to our website and refresh. You can see the new icon is rendering. So let's add few products, yes, and let's go back to our home. You can see the new icon is showing everywhere. Let's remove the icons from the card, and yes, it's also working over here. The icon is much bigger than the other icons, so let's change it. Click on inspect, and we can see we have a class header icon card. Let's copy this class from here, Control C to copy, and let's go back to our website dashboard, and there we will have the assets folder. Inside the assets folder we have base.css. Let's go to the bottom of this file and paste the class, Control V, and we want to add padding inline 1 rem, and click on save. Let's refresh once again. We can see the icon has the same size as other icons. Let's refresh once again, and the icon is same as other icons. Now let's add another product to the cart. Yeah, this is working absolutely fine. Thank you for watching.